years, AI meant chatbots that could answer questions or write emails, helpful, but limited. But now, we're seeing a leap. AI is becoming a true partner, not just a tool. Instead of waiting for your commands, the next generation of AI understands your habits, anticipates your needs, and acts proactively. Imagine upgrading from a basic calculator to a personal assistant who knows your schedule, projects, and preferences. This new wave of AI is about making your life smoother by handling repetitive tasks and connecting the dots between your emails, calendar, and to-do lists. Big tech companies are racing to build these proactive agents, AI that feels like a team member, not just software. These agents have memory and context, learning from your conversations, documents, and even your location. They offer personalized help, remembering your preferences and routines. It's like asking a friend for directions instead of a stranger. They know your favorite route and coffee stop. We're on the verge of technology that truly understands the flow of our lives. Whether you're a student, professional, or managing a busy family, this shift will change how you interact with technology every day. The real magic? AI that works in the background, making your day easier without you even noticing. This is more than saving time. It's about transforming your relationship with technology. Get ready for a world where your digital assistant finally feels personal. Let's talk about Google's next big thing. Remy. Remy isn't just another chatbot, it's a 24/7 personal agent for work, school, and life. Unlike chatbots that wait for your prompt, Remy is always on, always aware, and ready to act. It's deeply integrated with your Google World, Gmail, Calendar, Docs, Drive, and Photos. Remy doesn't just read your info, it takes action, like scheduling meetings or replying to emails automatically. It manages complex workflows, connecting the dots between your apps without you lifting a finger. Remy learns from your chats, app usage, and behavior, building a persistent memory called agent files. Over time, it gets smarter and more personalized, handling tasks like booking travel or ordering groceries based on your habits. The goal: an agent that anticipates your needs and handles the details so you can focus on what matters. This is proactive AI, less about commands, more about outcomes. Google's vision is an assistant that feels like a real teammate, not just a tool. Remy is the first step toward that future. What does this look like day to day? Imagine you're a student juggling a group project. Remy scans your email thread, checks everyone's calendars, finds a meeting time, and sends invites with the project brief attached. You just get a notification. Meeting scheduled for Tuesday at 3 p.m. At work, say you need a quarterly review presentation. Remy pulls sales data, project updates, and charts, then drafts a slide deck with speaker notes for you to review. It's not just about one app. It's how all your Google tools work together through Remy. Snap a photo of a whiteboard after a brainstorm. Remy transcribes the notes, creates a to-do list, and shares it with your team. In your personal life, a friend texts about seeing a movie. Remy checks showtimes, your calendar, and drafts a reply. How about 7 p.m. Saturday? All you do is hit send. Remy removes the friction from your day, handling the small tasks that drain your time and energy. It's proactive, seamless, and always working in the background. The result? More time for what matters, less digital busy work. This is the promise of the new AI agent era. Your life, just easier, and it's only getting started. Google's urgency comes from fierce competition. Earlier this year, a rival agent called OpenClaw went viral, showing the world what autonomous AI could do: browsing the web, booking appointments, ordering online. OpenClaw's creator was quickly hired by OpenAI, signaling just how valuable this tech is. For Google, this was a wake-up call. If someone else builds the primary interface for acting on information, Google's dominance is threatened. Remy isn't just a cool project, it's a strategic necessity. The next big platform after PCs, the internet, and smartphones could be the AI agent. Whoever builds the most trusted, capable agent could become the hub for our digital lives. Google is leveraging its ecosystem, Gmail, Calendar, Drive, to create a powerful lock-in effect. If your agent knows your life through Google, switching becomes hard. This is classic platform strategy. Build a moat, move fast, and make your agent indispensable. The race is on, and Google doesn't want to be left behind. To make Remy possible, Google needed faster, smarter AI. Enter Gemini 3.22 Flash and the Gemma 4 Speed Boost, major upgrades powering the next generation of agents. Gemini 3.22 Flash excels at creative and technical tasks, from generating complex code to designing logos and animations. This means your AI agent can help build websites, create graphics, or animate videos. Professional tools, now accessible to everyone, but speed matters just as much as power. Gemma 4's Speed Boost uses speculative decoding. A smaller model drafts responses, the main model checks them, and if correct, replies come up to 3 times faster. The result? Instant, natural-feeling conversations with your agent. No more waiting for slow replies. Just seamless, real-time help. Google's focus on speed and efficiency makes AI practical for everyday use. It's the difference between a clunky tool and a truly helpful assistant. These upgrades are what make Remy, and the future of AI agents, possible, fast, smart, and ready when you are. Google isn't alone. OpenAI is pushing hard with GPT 5.5 Instant. The big leap? Reliability. This model produces over 50% fewer hallucinations, AI's term for making up facts. That's crucial for professionals who need trustworthy answers, like lawyers or doctors. GPT 5.5 Instant also remembers your preferences and context, connecting to your Gmail, with permission, to personalize responses. Memory transparency lets you see exactly what info the AI used, giving you more control. OpenAI's strategy: make the core AI as accurate and context-aware as possible. While Google focuses on deep integration, OpenAI is building a highly reliable conversational partner. Both approaches are pushing AI forward. And the competition benefits us all. The future is smarter, more personal, and more dependable. Anthropic is taking a focused approach with Orbit, a proactive tool for their Claude assistant. Orbit solves a common problem: information overload for professionals. It connects to platforms like Slack, GitHub, Figma, and Google Drive, scanning for updates while you're away. Instead of checking each app, you get a single, prioritized briefing. What's new, what's urgent, what needs your attention. For project managers and developers, this means no more digging through notifications or endless threads. Orbit isn't trying to do everything. It's the best at keeping you in the loop. There's room for both general-purpose agents and specialized tools. Anthropic's Orbit proves that sometimes less is more. So, what does all this mean for us? The new AI agents are about to give us back hours lost to digital admin, scheduling, searching, summarizing, and catching up. For most people, this means less friction and more time for what matters. Students can focus on learning, not logistics. Workers can hand off repetitive tasks and focus on creativity and strategy. These agents won't replace human connection or original ideas. They'll free us to do more of what only humans can do. Technology is finally learning to speak our language. Just state your goal, and the AI figures out the steps. It's a more intuitive, human way to interact with the digital world. Life is about to get easier, more organized, and less cluttered with busy work. The shift is real, and it's coming fast. Get ready for a smarter, simpler digital life. We're just at the start of this AI agent revolution. In the next year or so, tools like Remy will move from internal tests to public launches, starting with Google's core apps. As millions use these agents, they'll learn and improve rapidly, expanding beyond Google's ecosystem. The real breakthrough will come when agents can connect to third-party services, ordering rides, shopping, controlling smart homes. But with power comes responsibility. Privacy, security, and trust will be critical. Expect clear controls, transparency, and user dashboards to monitor your agent's actions. The way we use technology is about to change dramatically. The era of the proactive, autonomous AI agent is here. The future of personal computing? It's a super smart assistant in your pocket.